Okay, another trial and error. So once again, if you have two binomials multiplying each other using FOIL, we always get this pattern. Okay, so we know that the 14 is going to be the first term in a binomial multiplied by the first term in the second binomial, and that the 10 is the last term in the first binomial multiplied by the last term in the second binomial. So I'm going to color them all like that. You don't have to color them when you're doing this. This is just so that the explanation makes some sense. Okay, so we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give 14 and two numbers that multiply to give negative 10. So I'm going to pick, for 14, I'm going to pick 14 and 1. That's the most obvious thing I can think of, besides 2 and 7. To give negative 10, I'm going to pick negative 5 and 2. So if I multiply the 14 and the 1, that gives me 14. The negative 5 and the 2 gives me negative 10. If I multiply the 14n and the 2, that's going to give me 28n. If I multiply the negative 5 and the n, that's going to give me negative 5. If I add them together, 28, take away 5 is 23. Okay, so that doesn't work. All right, I can switch the 2 and the negative 5 and see if that works. Okay, so 14 times negative 5 is negative 70, and 2 times 1 is 2, so that's not going to give me 13 either. All right, so the 14 doesn't work. The 14-1 combination doesn't work. I'm going to try 2 and 7. Okay, so 7n and 2n, and let me try 10 and what did we try? Last time we tried 5 and 2. Doesn't mean the 5 and 2 won't work out. I'm just going to try something different. Also, I don't want to make this example go on too long. So 10 and 1. So I'm going to multiply the 7. We know that 7 times 2 is 14. We know that the 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. The 7 times the 7 times the negative 1 is negative 7n. The 10 times the 2 is 20n. And if I do 20, take away 7, I get 13. So this is it. Okay, so you have to play with it a bit. Doesn't always work the first time. Sometimes it does. But I think it might be a little bit faster than PSF for a lot of you. All right, so that's it. That's trial and error. And there's our answer. Yay. And have a good day.